What comes first into your mind when you think of the Netherlands? Tulips, cheese, windmills, wooden shoes, chocolates, isn't it? This small village Zaanse Schans, located just 20 minutes from the Amsterdam Central, gives you the possibility to experience and explore all the above in one place. You'll experience the age-old windmills, delicious cheese chocolate factories, wooden plug making, authentic houses dating back to 17th century, the Dutch Golden Age period, Holland's worldwide trade, all of them on the beautiful backdrop of River Zaan. Here are the top 5 things to do in this Dutch open-air museum village. Number 1. The windmills. These windmills were originally formed as a fortification to the entering seawater. But lately, in the 17th century, during the Dutch Golden Age, more and more windmills were built to grind spices, paper, oil, and even to produce paints. Out of those 700 windmills, now only 17 survives and still busy grinding. You must visit one of them. Number 2. Visit the wooden plug making workshop. Visit to Zaanse Schans may not be complete if you're not visiting this wood and shoemaking workshop. Here, you will get to see plug making demonstrations. You can even try your hands in making as well wearing them. Number 3 is the Catharina cheese farm. This mini palace of cheese is just right next to the windmills. There are live demonstrations. You will get to see, taste, and buy a large variety of most delicious cheese. Number 4 is the Zaanse Museum and Furcade Pavilion. The Zaanse Museum shall take you back over centuries. It has tons of artifacts to show us on how the Dutch became successful, using their worst enemies, water and wind. The other side of the Zaanse Museum is the Furcade Pavilion, a chocolate and cookies factory from the late 19th century. Other interesting places to visit are Museum Winkel Albert Heijn, the Weaver's House, the Bakery Museum. On the whole, Zaanse Schans is so beautiful and informative that it cannot disappoint anyone on a half-day or a full-day trip.